In today's video, we're making avocado and aloe vera protein treatment, which is amazing for hair growth. So I am using one avocado, as we Jamaicans call it pear, and I'm going to be using 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of castor oil, 1 cup of aloe vera juice, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. All the ingredients will be posted down below in the description box. Aloe vera strengthens your hair. It helps to make your hair more stronger, and it helps to give you growth, which is what we're going for. Coconut oil is really good for moisture. It's a good oil. It smells amazing. It leaves your hair feeling soft, shiny. Once your hair is moisturized, it will grow. Avocado also grows your hair. It has a lot of biotin in it. Castor oil grows your hair, and of course the egg has vitamin A, vitamin E, biotin, which all help to grow your hair and make your hair really healthy. So all these ingredients are really beneficial to your hair. So right now I am blending up the treatment, and then I'm going to start applying it to my hair. So right in here you can see the consistency is very thick, it's really fluffy. So yeah, it will go on really easy, on your hair. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to steam for like 15 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out by washing my hair. So after my hair is like finished steaming, I'm going to be using the Tresemme anti-breakage shampoo and the Color Revitalized conditioner. But like on my hair just like is growing, like the treatments and stuff is like working. So I'll see you guys after I wash my hair. So after washing out the treatment, I went ahead and prepped my hair for my knotless braids. But overall, my hair did feel really soft and light and was like really manageable. So thank you guys for watching.